Hello, my name is Tiffany Whitten with Orlando Realty and Property Management. Today we will be discussing best pet policies for rentals. For many tenants, pets are a part of the family, and that's why landlords have a better chance of renting their properties quickly if they allow pets. More than 50% of prospective tenants that would want to rent your property, there are a few exceptions not to accept a pet, but otherwise recommend accept a pet. Some landlords hesitate because they worry about pet damage and potential liability. These are understandable concerns, but vacancy loss can also be a lot more expensive than any damage that a pet can do. As long as you have a solid pet policy in place, you can allow good tenants with pets into your rental property. When should you not accept a pet? Tenants with poor credit. If they don't care about their credit, they probably won't care about what their pet does to your property. You are going to have to move back into the property within a year or two, might be a good reason not to accept a pet. You have brand new carpeting or high-end softwood flooring. If your homeowners association has restrictions on pets, follow the HOA rules. When must you accept a pet? What do you mean I must accept a pet? You don't, but you must accept service animals. Technically, they are not pets nor animals and must be treated carefully and specifically. When you allow a tenant to move into with a pet, make sure that you collect a pet fee or pet deposit. We recommend that the lease is written properly regarding the fee and the deposits on top of the regular security deposit that is paid. Some landlords elect to ask for a non-refundable pet fee that is paid before the lease starts. Other landlords take refundable pet deposits that's returned to the tenant once they have inspected the property and verified that no pet damage was done. You also have an option to collect pet rent every month in addition to the tenant's regular rental payment. Whatever your terms are for the deposits and fees, keep them consistent and make sure that you include them in your lease. You can screen the pets that your tenant wants to bring into the property. For example, maybe you'll decide to accept dogs that are 50 pounds or less. It's always a good idea to ask for vaccination records and documentation from a vet that the animal is healthy. Make sure that you avoid any dangerous breeds that the insurance company will refuse to cover. Before your tenants and their pets move in, make sure that you either meet the pet, get a picture of the pet. This way you can be sure that the pet that you have agreed to is the pet that in fact is living in your property. Renting to tenants with pets is a good idea as long as you have a good pet policy in place. If you need help adding such a policy to your lease, please contact us at Orlando Realty and Property Management.